back to another vlog. I'm so excited to do a little day in my life vlog. I'm like back home from San Diego. It feels so good to be home, and so I figured I'd bring you guys along for a little getting back into the routine vlog. It's Friday, started my day with athletic greens, did a little Pilates practice, which I didn't film, did a bunch of work, which I also didn't film, and had our team call, and then I ended my workday at noon. Just got ready, showered, dressed, because Matt and I are going to go to Target because I have some photos to take and I'm gonna make a little reel because Parade just launched in Target. As you guys know, I'm a Parade partner / ambassador and I love working with them. They have such good underwear and basics. I'm so excited that they launched in my local Target, the North Buffalo location, specifically on Delaware. So Matt and I are gonna go there so that I can create a little content. I also made another piece of content for a brand. I'll show you guys what I got sent from the brand Mighty Paw. Me and my dog mom status. This is yak cheese and it's like grated cheese that basically you can sprinkle on top of your dog's food. Gave that to Gouda earlier. He was obsessed. They also sent us over some bully sticks as well as another bone that I know Gouda's gonna love, but I can't. I already gave him a bone earlier. We gotta like space out how much we're spoiling Goody, right? Are you happy that I'm home, sir? The oven's going off. Matt put pizza in for me. We've left over pizza because we got hydraulic hearth last night. Thank you so much for putting food in. So I'm gonna get that out of the oven. There's lots of stuff we're doing today, so I figured it would be a fun day to bring you along.
Kind of sad I didn't get a hello YouTube. You look great.
Thank you. Thank you for the matcha again, it's so good.
Good.
We had to throw the pizza back in the oven, but I'm gonna eat some leftover pizza before we go to Target. It is amazing that I ended up switching my travel plans. If you guys watched the last vlog, which was my San Diego vlog, going to social media marketing world, you know that my travel plans got changed up literally in the last minute. Basically, I rebooked my travel 6 hours before taking the flight. Like at 10 p.m. at night on Wednesday night, I rebooked to fly out Thursday morning at like 5 a.m. So it was a wild experience, but it means that I made it home yesterday at 6 p.m. and I wouldn't have gotten home originally until, if everything worked out, I wouldn't have gotten home until like 12:30 a.m. And I honestly likely wouldn't have even gotten home then because of how the delays ended up shaking out. I honestly probably would have missed my connecting flight. And my flight was also shorter because my flight on the way there, for some reason, the best flight I could find took me from Buffalo to JFK and JFK to San Diego, which geographically
doesn't make much sense.
But that was the best flight that I could find from a timing standpoint, so I took it. But on the way back, my connection was in Detroit, which made so much more sense. My flight from JFK to San Diego was nearly 6 hours, but from San Diego to Detroit, it was like 3.5 hours. It was literally like 2.5 hours of less time on a plane based on just the way that it always works. So you get like the
jet stream or whatever.
So it's always faster one way or the other, but I just couldn't believe that I shaved off that much time. It was so nice. It was just such an easy day of travel yesterday. I felt so grateful for that. I'm becoming a Delta girl through and through. Yeah, I'm just gonna eat some pizza. We're gonna go to Target, so I'll bring you guys along a little bit, but I'm mostly bringing you guys, aka this camera, because I want to get some really good quality pictures. So I don't know if I'll actually vlog it all in Target, but you guys will see. Just so happy to be home, getting settled back in. I've got laundry that I'm gonna do later, so yeah. We just got back from Parade. Got a whole bunch of undies, literally got 6 pairs because Parade treated me to 2 gift cards to go shop their line. So that was so much fun. Love me some brand new underwear, that's amazing.
I'm gonna put, oh wait, actually, I hang this jacket.
Literally was gone for a week and I like forget where I put all my stuff. I don't know why, but I'm gonna hang this jacket up. and work on editing the reel that I just made of going to parade. I also am gonna take a look at the Sunday Riley brief because I'm doing a little campaign with Sunday Riley to promote their E3 niacinamide serum. So I'm super excited. So I need to kind of look at the brief, go over again what are the things that they're looking for specifically in the content to see whether I'm gonna film it now or film it tomorrow. Go. You want that? There you go. It feels so good to be home, to be getting things done, just settling back in. And I'm feeling so inspired after going to the conference. I just learned so much from the amazing speakers, from the importance of choosing a thumbnail for a YouTube video to how you can really write good copy that ends up being impactful and effective for your audience and your community and actually driving them to take action and lead to conversions. Ways that you can make your live stream more engaging so that you can actually sell on live video, but also create that sense of community and create a show that keeps people coming back for more. There were just so many good speakers, and I loved Kat Norton's talk specifically. She really inspired me about just the creative process when it comes to content creation. She talked about how she really sets aside space to let herself be creative. Like, she removes all the distractions. She goes for a walk. She just dances and hypes herself up. And I have so many notes that I'm going to be turning into a blog post for Now Marketing Group, just recapping every single session and the takeaways that we got, because it was just so inspiring. And as someone who is a public speaker, I just love getting to go to this conference and getting to see these amazing speakers who have built really successful businesses, who have amassed huge followings. Like Kat Norton has 730,000 Instagram followers and 930,000 plus TikTok followers. And she's younger than me, and just like, she's super zesty, has a lot of energy, which I really resonate with, and she just was so well spoken. And seeing so many young female speakers also at the conference was really, really inspiring for me, like Kenya Kelly and Jade Beeson. Oh my God, so many good speakers. Millie Anderson did the opening keynote for the last day of the conference, and she was making me laugh so much. Like, oh, it was just so good. So I'm feeling really inspired and excited about making little subtle changes that are going to improve not just my content as a creator, but also what I'm doing at Now Marketing Group as the brand manager. So I'm just so excited, and I'm excited that I have the weekend to continue to digest it all and just further get back into the routine of things. Hung up all my laundry, put the stuff that needs to go in the dryer, just took Gouda for a walk, also heated up our pizza because I'm so hungry. It's so good. Just edited some content for the parade launch and filmed a few TikTok drafts and actually got a few things scheduled for my YouTube channel, made some graphics, just getting back into the routine. That is literally what this vlog is all about. And I realized there are two things that I think are very important when you are trying to get back into routine. The first thing is waking up early / your normal time that you'd wake up even if you're exhausted. I forced myself to get out of bed early at like 6 o'clock this morning, take Gouda for a walk because that is part of our morning routine. Drank my athletic greens. I did a really short and sweet workout. I didn't have the energy to do a workout, but I still did a workout because that's part of my morning routine. And I think that that is so important to getting back on track and feeling like you can get seamlessly back into your routine. The other thing is making yourself a list of items that to you associate with your routine. So for me, content creation is something that I always do on a Friday. Friday afternoons are content days. So I was like, I'm gonna make sure that I get some content done, not only because I needed to today, but also because that is part of my routine. So even if I wasn't feeling the desire, which I totally was, I was very excited to film today, do my makeup, get dressed. Even if I wasn't in the mood, I was gonna force myself to do it because it's getting back into a routine. And I think so many times we look at people and we see them in their routines and we think, oh my God, that person is so disciplined and so motivated. But the key is discipline, because the motivation isn't always going to be there. But part of being disciplined and part of building self-love and self-trust and self-accountability is showing up even when you don't want to. It's holding yourself accountable to being disciplined and doing the thing even if the motivation isn't there. And by doing that day after day, you really learn that motivation is fleeting, but discipline can be consistent. You learn that like,
Just had a coughing fit.
I just basically wanted to say that I feel like there's a lot to be said for the fact that motivation isn't always there, but being disciplined is a choice that you can make, and you can decide to show up for yourself even when you don't feel like it. And by doing that, you really help to grow the trust you have in yourself, and you end up feeling so much better. So I just did so much more content creation, like more than I even told you guys, because my parade, I had a few things come in from parade. I had a little black set come in from the picnic collection.
Oh shit, hold on, my camera battery's gonna die.
So I had my parade orders come in. I got a black ribbed matching set from their picnic collection. It's super cute. It's just like a little, kind of like a sports bra looking bra and shorts. And it is black.
He took the whole bag.
Gouda's being a goober. I am also wearing something that I've never worn before in front of Matt. And Matt's like, why don't you wear this more? So I figured I'd show you guys.
It's so cozy.
It's so cozy. This little matching set that I got this during the pandemic, like in like April, May 2020.
Weird.
So this tie-dye long sleeve and matching shorts. It's just super cute. Super cozy. I absolutely love it. And I'm making it a point to wear more of the clothes and stuff that I have in my closet. Like if I'm gonna keep it around and not sell it on Poshmark, I need to be using it. That's the new rule. So busted this out and created a bunch of content because I got that parade set from the picnic line, as well as 2 bathing suits that Parade sent me for free as part of their swim line. And they are so
Freaking flattering.
and really comfortable. I don't have anywhere that I'm gonna be needing a bathing suit yet, but summer's coming, so I'm just so excited about them. And Matt got a haircut. Oh my God, he just jumped up and took your shirt. No, Goody. No. Oh my God, he's being so naughty. Matt got a haircut.
I did. It doesn't look great right now.
What do you mean? It looks so good.
Well, you know how haircuts are. They gotta like sit, but it feels very nice.
It looks really good.
Thank you.
And this is the goober man who's being very naughty because he wants more of Matt's attention, right? You goof. So yeah, honestly, this is kind of, I'm gonna wrap it up here. It's already after 5 p.m. Matt and I are gonna figure out what we're doing for dinner and just have a chill night. I'm gonna take my makeup off, do my skincare, and literally not look at my phone and just relax on the couch with Matt and Gouda. The perfect way to get back into the routine. Sounds like the perfect Friday night to me. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the bell, and be sure to subscribe. As Gouda growls at Matt in the background. Good. And I'll see you guys in the next video.